Ever heard of neon? You know, those sleek, futuristic-looking signs that seem to glow from within? They're everywhere, from bustling city streets to the marquees of your favorite theaters. But have you ever wondered who's behind this dazzling display of light? Who's the mastermind, the visionary, the owner of this luminous empire? Neon signs have a rich history, a captivating blend of art and technology. From their humble beginnings as simple gas-filled tubes to the dazzling, modern marvels we see today, they've evolved alongside our cities, reflecting our culture and capturing our imaginations. But who are the people who bring these iconic signs to life? Who are the innovators, the artists, the entrepreneurs shaping the future of illuminated signage? Unfortunately, there's no single, definitive owner of neon in the same way you might think of a traditional company. Here's why. Neon is a multifaceted industry. It involves a diverse range of players, from glassblowers who meticulously shape the tubes to electricians who expertly wire them. There are sign fabricators, designers, installers, and even artists who create unique, custom pieces. Numerous companies exist. Countless companies worldwide specialize in neon sign production, each with its own unique style, techniques, and clientele. Some focus on traditional methods, while others embrace cutting-edge technologies like LED lighting. Independent artists and artisans, many talented individuals work independently, crafting their own neon creations and building their own brands. These artists often push the boundaries of neon, exploring new forms and techniques, and contributing significantly to the industry's artistic expression. The neon industry itself is constantly evolving. The rise of LED technology has presented both challenges and opportunities. While LEDs offer greater energy efficiency and durability, they also pose a threat to traditional neon, which many consider a more authentic and aesthetically pleasing option. However, many in the industry are finding ways to innovate and adapt. Some are exploring hybrid approaches, combining the vibrant glow of neon with the versatility of LEDs. Others are focusing on sustainability, finding eco-friendly ways to produce and dispose of neon signs. Supporting the neon industry is crucial. It helps preserve a valuable craft, encourages artistic expression, and contributes to the unique character of our cities. By choosing locally made neon signs, supporting independent artists, and appreciating the artistry involved, we can ensure that this luminous tradition continues to shine for generations to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.